So what you can also do is you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to generate SEO keywords to improve your search engine optimization. So I'm going to go around and say, give me 20 keywords related to Adobe Photoshop right here, just like this, to improve my SEO right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, it goes around and searches out for 20 relevant keywords right here, just like this, and gives it to you right here. So you can see that I said give 20 keywords related to Adobe Photoshop right here, and this is what you have right here. So now I'm going to go around and say, now give me the same for Adobe Illustrator right here, just like this. And once I go around and do that, what happens is that it gives me the 20 keywords for Adobe Illustrator, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and generate out SEO keywords as you like inside of Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.